Greetings! In PowerPoint, you can write text in multiple columns in a shape or a text box. Insert a shape on the slide. Add text to the shape. Go to the Home tab. In the Paragraph group, expand the Columns icon. Select the desired number of columns. You can also specify your preferred number of columns using the column options. To adjust the spacing between columns, open the Columns options. Set the spacing value. Click OK to save and close.